Oh, demesi bataki Eleanor.
Right. Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. Yan na kami dikat sar nabito ka di bolito ko mga na mata ka na kay hindi. Bayar to na laman imbasi na taxi na mata ka bagito kay ni Semo Bolmay. Siya ngwali to Bengore na bugo ni drop to kirto ngani buli. Baro ngwali sa rida kadaka. Saban ni bina ko tan ndon singa ning garabita bina ka weekend. Singa bina ka ni kuwa.
Well, good morning to each and everyone. You see the weather, you see love.
Right.
You see the tree, you see love. You see the animal going from one place to another, you see them, you see food. Because they use their 5 cents of life to carry them forward where life and food is.
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay, wir na maraman tomato wir na dela kutu.
Whoa.
Wir na man tapos sa bula sa
They are their meeting point. You see the dog, you see the coots. Karanda uba katiatoka. You see the chicken, they use their beak to point themselves.
Yeah.
And tomikutu ya. You see the bat, they tomikutu. Because every living organism in this earth,
Yeah.
Yes.
they have these parasites.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Usa kay baka sometimes okay, raba baka tikyan sungai.
Yeah.
Okay, warna buyo na
Because
yeah.
they are only growing us. We said, some people said, flies are very bad.
Yeah.
No. Every small living organism in this earth, they have their advantage and disadvantage.
Right.
When you see flies,
Yeah.
some people said, no, it's very dirty here.
Yeah.
No, they are here to help us notify
Yeah.
the toxic of something in a fish.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Huh?
Right, nabi kambulo todo ko etu sang puli bay naki
Iya.
etu na kanay naki yo.
Frog was not here.
No.
Some people, they bring frog to help them to cure the vegetable garden from the pest and disease they are in.
Yeah.
They bring the frog.
Right.
When they bring the frog, what happened? They saturated in other forms of life.
Oh, okay.
See?
Right.
When you see the rat, some people, rat are very bad.
Yes.
They bite our clothes,
Yeah.
they bite our feet,
Yeah.
they bite everything there, but they are very good. They help us
Yeah.
unite with what tightness and cleanliness.
And why do some people call each other red?
Because the human rat is no tail.
Okay, but what do?
They do.
What the red does?
Huh.
What?
They jump from one place to another.
So they ratting around.
Yeah.
Okay.
They steal something that is not
Okay,
theirs.
Eleanor is suffering from one sickness,
Yes.
they mentioned.
From
Okay,
glucose.
tell us what's the problem, Eleanor?
Senga, I don't know, but sometimes
Yeah.
I don't know if other people feel this too.
Yeah.
But sometimes, like right now,
Yeah.
I'm sitting
This morning,
here
sorry.
this morning,
Really?
and suddenly, like my heart feels heavy.
Heavy.
Baka mendona kai ko so tabay ko. It's like I'm
Guilty.
sad.
Oy.
Not
You-
guilty,
oh,
Nemesi.
oh.
It's
Is it
like I'm
emotional
sad.
pain or-
Yes, it's like emotional.
Yeah.
And sometimes I feel this, like not every time, but sometimes.
Yeah.
When I'm sitting down.
How many times a year or how many times a month?
No, not
Sometimes.
a month. Just sometimes. Like
Okay,
yeah.
let's
one-
say it from the doctor.
okay.
What's the
Why?
problem,
Like
doctor?
suddenly I feel like I want to cry or something. Like
Okay, I
my
know.
heart is
Yeah.
heavy.
Thank you very much for your
Come on, Bimbi.
Thank you very much for your explanation.
Okay,
but I
doctor.
want to ask you,
Yeah.
Ask.
what time this heaviness happened to you?
No, just like now when we are sitting here.
Yeah.
How many times does it
Maybe
happen?
because I saw the video of someone who passed away, a dear friend.
Yeah.
Maybe, eh?
Yes, and from then till now, I'm
Yeah.
still feeling that kind of pain
Heaviness,
in my
eh?
heart. Yes.
Oh, okay.
You are like with vitamin H.
What's that?
That's a habababa.
Yeah, kay total nga ito na isuli-suli baka tagi Dems go.
Yeah.
Abi kim ni kani.
Yeah.
O Dems go, he predicts.
Yeah.
If we go home and we sleep and we saw one had a dream,
Yeah.
we'll come and we'll tell him the dream.
Yeah.
So you can on the comment section you can put a dream and he will
Kuno zakaba mi usololom.
he can predict whatever dream
Di na
that you have dreamt.
When his eyelid is gonna be shaking like the
Yes.
earthquake, it's gonna be a dangerous one.
Myself,
Yeah,
I got a gift
yeah.
Right.
because
That a gift.
that a gift gore soli. Every time I dream of something,
Yeah.
it happen.
Right.
Si berbondo ni bondo nga mo tanra kina. I dream of something that is not happen.
Okay.
Right.
I dream of anything if something is very frightening me.
Yeah.
I will wake up in the morning. I tell the
Family.
family.
Yeah.
Because if I left that dream one day, I will forgot what I dreamt.
Right.
Iyo. Kaya nabuna ni surang ono yan ramen mbong tutu. I woke tini abu or somebody sleep beside me.
Yeah.
I will tell the story because to let them know
Yeah.
if I sleep again, I wake up in the morning,
Yeah.
I will forget. That's why I want to tell because sometimes
Yeah.
people said if you dream about something that is not within your territory,
Yeah.
pakai rerebaki,
Yeah.
tell the story
Okay.
so that it can
right.
kiwa to enable to stop the thing
Right.
from happening.
Like if you see someone that is about if you
To
see
break the
someone
chain.
dying, eh?
Yeah.
So next day you have to tell that person, that particular person, eh? You have to
Oi.
touch that particular person.
So see.
Okay. So you
Rebuke.
did you dream last night?
Huh?
Did you dream last night?
I never dream last night.
Ya nabuna sa kila kina transport. Okay, betul ndabo tigo. Okay, kita nama into sa pas pa one shadow bu.
Oh, right.
Lepo sa pimundo buran reba.
Uh-uh.
This one
Oh.
without any shirt, 3/4 like here down here.
Mengatakan na bulan.
What can you predict? What can you predict?
From there,
I can predict the imbalance in the society.
That's what we call in English. That's what we call in English the food chain.
Como talento ko, digo na Bruce Lee tu ba? Sila to sote.
Ano naman tal sa ambi umombe na usama yung tulong.
Nalawa to pa yung mga ratio kino mga mataka.
Awa mula tal tungabi adim Musa may imbenau. Ano ba ka adim
Musa
Musa?
ba do sikbe mundo may budi sa. Kira do mo subita di mundo.
Eh binabale punjes.
So ni balu tukana yan rabinaka sa mati kamay nambulini wa nimbuka may telebo.
Oh.
Era mbake ito mbake ito.
Bro,
Linda
rabinaka,
anggaran niyo
matawali
yan
sa
rabinaka nina toka ruwa wangay tukana family and 27 Lameli Place may nambuan. To yan rabinaka. Meli na delebo yan rabinaka jungar ni balu.
Isa.
O so simbay ni buhay. O tanra ni sa ka tugna tangi balinde Messi.
Oy.
Ay.
Apa nang sa break tak satu mo ka?
Iya.
Isa. Ya, welkom no kanta kay bitsuwa no like pa heart pa kena share. Eh na buni live laga kay na da ouch palang show ya na mataka di vengar di komentar kay sa tal na mataka di mataka maroro iti ko ng bulang go kurumundo.